Hello students, I am Vidya from GK Jain School. Now I am going to teach you about muscular tissues from class 9. In the previous video itself we have been discussed about the blood tissues. So next one, muscular tissues. See, these muscular tissues are made up of muscle cells. So each tissue are made up of cells. This in the same way, this muscular tissues also made up of muscle cells, and it forms the major part of the contractile tissues. In the contractile tissues, the major part is made up of this muscular tissues, and it is composed of myofibrils. So this contractile tissues and these muscular tissues are composed of myofibrils. Then these muscles are made up of long cylindrical fibers which arrange parallel to one another. So those many cylinders only called as muscles. So that muscle, it made up of many long cylindrical fibers which arrange parallel to one another. So these types of muscles, according to their function and structural, it is classified into three categories. Based on the structure and function of these muscles, they have been classified into three categories. One is skeletal muscle, then smooth muscles, then third one is the cardiac muscles. So these three muscles are the major type of the muscles. So what does mean by skeletal muscles? Skeletal muscle is attached with the bone. So skeletal. So that is why it is named as a skeletal muscle which attached with the bone. So it enables the movement of the body. So movement of the body, jumping, walking, and we are doing exercise. All those things are taken place with the help of this skeletal muscle. Then it enables the body movements, and because everything we are doing, that any action we are doing with the help of this skeletal muscles are voluntary, because we are doing with our conscious, with our control only we can do all the activities. So that is why it is called as a voluntary muscles. We can call this skeletal muscle as a voluntary muscle. So this is the shape of this skeletal muscles. It is a elongated, long cylindrical one, and in that, so many as I told you already, many cylindrical fibers. So these are the cylindrical fiber. Many cylindrical fibers are arranged parallel to one another, and nucleus are present in that. So this is what nucleus. So it is called it is also called as a multinucleate, since it contains a many nucleus. So this is a nucleus, and many strips also you can find in this skeletal muscles. See, one dark strip and one light strip which arranged in an alternative manner. Dark strips and light strips, light band like strips are arranged in an alternative basis in this each cylindrical fiber. So it is also called as a multinucleate fibers. Then next one. So next type of muscle is smooth muscle. So this smooth muscle, this is the shape of this smooth muscle. It is spindle shaped. So you can see the ends of this smooth muscles are tapering. Tapering means they are pointed like structure. It's in the each end it has a tapering end, that pointed ends, and also the nucleus is present at the center of the each cylindrical fiber. So this is a fiber. In the each fiber, the nucleus present at center. Okay, so this is what nucleus. It is in the spindle shape, and it is also called as a involuntary muscles. Why it is called as a involuntary muscle means it can find in the internal organs such as blood vessels, gastric glands, intestinal villi, and urinary bladder. So in those organs, this involuntary, that means spindle shaped smooth muscles are present. But these internal organs are not working under our control. It is not voluntary muscles. So that is why it is called as a involuntary muscles, since it is not work under our control. Okay, you can find these type of muscles only in the internal organs, walls of the internal organs. So those internal organs are made up of smooth muscles. Then, so it is a nucleus, because only one nucleus is present in each fiber. Then next one is a cardiac muscle. So cardiac means what? Our heart. So these muscles, our heart is made up of cardiac muscle, and it is made up of contractile tissues. These cardiac muscles are made up of contractile tissues. The shape of the cardiac muscle is cylindrical, branched and uninucleate. So if you see this previous type of skeletal muscle and smooth muscle and all, you cannot notice the branches in between the fibers. But if you take this cardiac muscle, you can see the branches are present. Okay. So this network branched shape only called as an intercalated disc. The branched interlinked structure of these fibers are called as an intercalated disc, and unique distinguishing property present in this cardiac tissues. Our heart, mainly our heart is composed of this cardiac muscle. Only our heart is composed of this cardiac muscle, and it is also involuntary, because our heart is also not function under our control. It is not under our conscious. So which is why it is called as a involuntary. The function of this cardiac muscle is involuntary and rhythmic. So this is all about the types of muscles and muscles. So whatever things we have discussed in this video, what is muscular tissue and what are the types of muscles which comprises skeletal muscle, smooth muscle and cardiac muscles, and wherever you can find these types of muscles in our body, and what are the shape of these muscles. Okay students, what are all the topics you may expect from this topic? Listen, the question in the 2 mark, they may ask like, define muscular tissue. What is muscular tissues? So in that you should focus on the keywords such as contractile tissues and muscle cells and myofibrils. So these are all the keywords. So from that keywords you can describe about the muscular tissues. How? Listen here. So this tissues, muscular tissues is made up of muscle cells. Then these muscle tissues are forms the major part of the contractile tissues. So that major part and all, it is a simple that you are going to describe about the contractile tissues. So major part of the contractile tissues are made up of these muscular tissues, and which composed of myofibrils. So like that you can describe about the muscular tissues. And next question, what can be asked? This is types of muscles. So what are the types of muscles, they may ask. So in that, what are the things you have to explain based on the structure and functions of these muscles. It can be classified into 3 major types. One is the skeletal muscle. Skeletal means skeleton, which attach with the skeleton. And next one is the smooth muscles. So most of the internal organs are composed of the smooth muscles. Then it is not work under our conscious. So that is why it can be called as involuntary muscles, but which connect with the skeleton. That is the first category of the skeletal muscles. It is function our conscious, which work under our control. So that is why it is called as a voluntary muscles. If you take a third type of this muscles, one is that is a cardiac muscles. So our heart is composed of the cardiac muscle. It is also involuntary. Why? Because it is also function not under our control. It does not function under our control. So it may be asked like this. So in the detail also it can be asked. Describe, write a short note about the muscular tissues, means you have to explain all those things with the diagram. So this is a easy diagram only. Okay students, I hope this video will be very useful for you all. If you want more updates on educational videos like this, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel GK Jain. Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.